Ngayon daw yung golden age ng OPM. So, agree ka ba?
Pwede. Pwede ako mag-agree doon. Kasi, natutuwa din ako kasi parang madaming mga artists na, madaming artists na, nagumulat din ako na hindi sila, kung paano sila naging, how they made it in the music scene. Because normally, well, during my time, parang they need a lot of support from like a big recording label. Pero nowadays, nagsistart sila on their own. They do recording at home. And very authentic in the way they promote themselves. So, I think, siguro lang inassume ko lang po ito yung sinasabi ni Raymond Marasigan kasi ngayon nagpa-prosper yung music scene. All types of music lumalabas. So, hindi na yung parang noon na parang may certain type of sound. So nowadays, parang iba't iba yung sound yung mga lumalabas. Tapos may kanya-kanya silang fan base. And they get a lot of support also from major labels. And I see a lot of support from just like even like gigs, no? Madami ng gigs ngayon.